Hello, beautiful community. The local community bank walking track was opened about a year ago on the Racecourse Reserve, and one of the features is a timber bridge built by the local Lee MacGyver, and we thought it would be great to have a bridge troll that became a feature of the bridge, but we were unable to find the troll that was suitable or that we liked. And then one night at about 3 o'clock in the morning, the idea of just a set of eyes and fingers coming out of the bridge timbers took shape, and we wanted people to use their imagination in picturing what the troll actually looked like under the bridge. So we ended up carving a set of fingers and also made up some eyes and installed it. And once we'd installed it, we made a quick video to highlight the presence of the troll under the bridge. Unfortunately, someone thought it was a great idea to remove the fingers and destroy the concept of the bridge troll. Even the trees were upset. We found some of the fingers, and luckily I had some of the wood left over. It's some sort of pine that I got from somewhere, and it's terribly hard to carve. I didn't want to use my favourite carving knife on this project, so I found an old one that was still fairly sharp. And the beauty of carving or whittling is that it can be done almost anywhere. So for the first finger I started outside the shed. It was a warm afternoon, so I grabbed a cup of coffee and whittled the first finger. And then the next finger I did was early one morning before the household had stirred. It's one of the best times to whittle when it's nice and quiet. was able to get another finger finished while the boys were at soccer practice. They usually practice around 7, 8 o'clock at night when it's fairly dark, and so I was able to park the car right beside one of the big lights, and I was able to finish off that finger. Then the rest of the fingers I finished off in the shed. It was one cold autumn night, and so I had the fire going, and I finished off all the fingers that night. So the fingers were ready to install, but as luck would have it, it started raining and continued raining for a couple of weeks. And so I needed the bridge to be dry so that the glue would set. And luckily we got a couple of fine days so we could install the fingers. And this time I stuck the fingers to the bridge using 2 pieces of dowel, and I'm hoping that the glue will set and keep the fingers in place. So now that the troll has his fingers back, he can now concentrate on scaring all the walkers and the runners that use the Community Bank walking trail. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.